Step into the heart of Normandy, where the ancient city of Rouen cradles one of the most iconic and enchanting cathedrals in all of France, the Rouen Cathedral, a true masterpiece of Gothic architecture. As you approach this awe-inspiring edifice, you can't help but be struck by the grandeur of its facade. The twin towers reach toward the heavens, their intricate stonework telling a story that spans centuries. This is a place where history, art, and spirituality converge. The construction of the Rouen Cathedral began in the 12th century, and it took several generations of craftsmen and architects to complete. It stands as a testament to human ingenuity and devotion, a soaring testament to the divine. Can you imagine the dedication it took to create such a marvel in an era long before modern technology? As you enter the cathedral, you'll be enveloped in a world of stained glass and vaulted ceilings that seem to touch the sky. The play of light and shadow creates a mesmerizing ambiance, evoking a sense of reverence and wonder. The stained glass windows, some dating back to the 13th century, come to life as the sun's rays filter through, casting a kaleidoscope of colors upon the stone floor. Take a moment to explore the intricacies of the cathedral's interior. The stunning sculptures, the ornate chapels, and the mesmerizing labyrinth on the floor all speak of the deep spirituality that has permeated this place for centuries. Rouen Cathedral has witnessed countless baptisms, weddings, and funerals, each event etching its mark on the cathedral's rich tapestry of history. One cannot help but think of the famous artist Claude Monet, who was captivated by the cathedral's ever-changing appearance in different lights and seasons. His series of paintings of the Rouen Cathedral showcases his fascination with capturing the cathedral's essence. You might find yourself similarly inspired to capture its beauty through your own lens. Venturing into the heart of Rouen, you'll find a city that celebrates its cathedral as a centerpiece of its identity. The charming cobblestone streets, bustling markets, and cozy cafes provide the perfect backdrop for your exploration. You'll encounter friendly locals who are proud to share the stories and legends surrounding their beloved cathedral. As you stand in the presence of the Rouen Cathedral, consider the centuries of history it has witnessed, the artistry it has inspired, and the faith it has nurtured. Just as it has stood steadfast through the ages, it reminds us of the enduring power of human creativity and devotion. As you depart, let the spirit of Rouen Cathedral inspire you to seek beauty and meaning in your own life. Like the cathedral's ever-evolving facade, our own journeys are marked by growth and transformation. What mark will you leave on the ongoing tapestry of time?